is a model that I built of a raised bed garden. This garden is a scale model representing a 4-foot by 8-foot garden bed. The reason for 4 feet is it's easy to reach in 2 feet from this side or 2 feet from that side, and then you never have to step inside the bed. So the reason for raised bed gardens are a lot, but some of the most important are it helps you improve the soil by building up. It keeps you from walking in the garden bed and compacting the soil, which actually reduces your yield. And it allows you to plant right near the edges, as you can see here. Now this shows a correctly spaced raised bed garden. Notice I only have 1 tomato. If I were going to plant just tomatoes in here, I would have 2. A row of lettuce, onions, carrots. Now here's a tip. If you have a raised bed garden and you need to add soil to it, I usually build my garden, raised bed, 4 by 8. I like that size because the lumber comes in convenient 8-foot lengths. I like to build it 12 inches up at least. And then I set it on the ground. I then will take a shovel, I'll remove that, and then I'll take a shovel and take the soil and toss it into the center. Set the garden bed down into that little trench that I just dug, which will be an inch or 2. And then I'll already have some soil inside the garden bed. Now, the next I will show you is a mixture of amendments that I can add to this garden bed so it'll be ready to plant this spring. Notice in the back I have a trellis, and this is for beans. And this is on the north side because the sun, of course, comes up east to west, and this will make sure that you do not shade the garden in front of it. Here is a cage that I have surrounding my tomato plant that allows it to grow and be staked up as it does grow. And in the corners you can plant things like asparagus, which will come back year after year, and of course dot herbs in the garden as you see fit. Well, that's it for raised bed gardens, and happy gardening!